Hello dear students, welcome back to my channel. Students, today is day number 2 of mathematics most important question series for your periodic test 2 class 8 DAB Public School. So let us start the session. First question, solve for x if 3 to the power x minus 1 equal to 1 by 27. So how to solve? Now first we write down the questions, that is 3 to the power x minus 1 equal to 1 by 27. Okay, so here first we same the base because we know that base are equal, then power also equal. So first we write down 3 to the power x minus 1 equal to 1 divided by 3 to the power 3, because 27 we can write 3 9 ja 3 3 ja 3 1 ja, how many 3 na 3, that's why 3 to the power 3. Okay, or 3 cube. So again we can write 3 to the power x minus 1 equal to 3 to the power minus 3, because a to the power minus 1 equal to 1 by a, or you can write 1 by a equal to a to the power minus 1. Okay, or 1 by a square equal to a to the power minus 2. Clear? Now so we can, now base are equal means power also equal. So x minus 1 equal to minus 3, so x equal to minus 3 plus 1, that is minus 2. So x equal to minus 2. Clear? Understand? Next question. Simplify. Okay, so in this type of questions, simply if the power is in fraction, okay, first we cancel. So how? Now we can write 64 as any number to the power 6, because 6 cancel, because we know that power means multiply. Suppose 2 to the power m, again power to the power n, that's why 2 into mn. If 2 to the power 6 into 1 by 6, then it will be cancel, yes or no? So now 64 we can write 2 to the power 6, because 2 को 6 times multiply कर 64 होगा. So 2 to the power 6 to the power minus 1 by 6. Understand? Divided by 3 अच्छी means को number को 3 times multiply कर 512. Now that is 8, because 8 cube is 512. So we can write 8 cube to the power minus 1 by 3. Again into 216 we can write 6 cube to the power minus 1 by 3, 2 to the power 4 to the power 1 by 4 into 81 means 3 to the power 4. So 3 to the power 4 to the power 1 by 4 divided by 3 square to the power minus 1 by 2. Okay, now power means multiply. So we can write 2 into 6 into minus 1 by 6 divided by 8 to the power 3 into minus 1 by 3. Now 6 to the power 3 into minus 1 by 3 divided by 2 to the power 4 into 1 by 4. Multiply 3 into 4 into 1 by 4 divided by 3 to the power 2 into minus 1 by 2. Okay, now cancel. So first one is 2 to the power minus 1 divided by 8 to the power minus 1 into 6 to the power minus 1 divided by 2 to the power plus 1 into 3 to the power 1 divided by 3 to the power minus 1. Clear? Now again we can write 2 to the power minus 1 means 1 by 2, and this one be 1 by 8, yes or no? Now into 2 to the 6 to the power minus 1 means 1 by 6 divided by 2 into 3 divided by 1 by 3. Okay, or you can solve by the other method. How to solve? Now 2 to the power minus 1 divided by 2 to the power 3, 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3 to the power minus 1, yes or no? And this one 6 we can write same, write down minus 6 to the power minus 1 divided by 2 into, here we can write 3 to the power multiply, because base are equal, power will be minus, so 1 minus minus 1. Okay, or we can write 2 to the power minus 1 minus minus 3, because base are equal means power will be subtraction because division. So into 6 to the power means 1 by 6 into 2 because denominator 2 thala, so 1 by 6 into 2 into 3 to the power 1 plus 1, that is 2, that is here is 2 to the power minus 1 plus 3, that is plus 2 into 1 by 12 into 3 square, that is 9. So 4 into 1 by 12 into 9, 4 3 ja 3 3 ja, so answer is 3. Okay, তাহলে এই মেথড এ আমি সলভ করি পারিবা। হাউ টু সলভ, রাইট ডাউন। নাও উই ক্যান রাইট এইটা উপরে পড়াইব, দ্যাট ইজ 8 বাই 2 ইন্টু এটা এই যে 1 বাই 12, 6 2 যা 12 ইন্টু এটা উপর 3টা উপর পড়াইলে 9 হয়ে যাব, তো 9। সো 2 4 যা এগেন ক্যান্সেল, 4 3 যা 3 3 যা, সো আনসার ইজ 3। ওকে, যে কোনসি মেথড কলে আনসার আসিব 3। ক্লিয়ার? Next question, this is important questions. All questions are a previous year question, so practice this. So we can write 3 to the power x minus 1 equal to 9, we can write 3 square. Now base are equal means power also equal, then we can write x minus 1 equal to 2, so x equal to 3 because 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Similarly, we can find 4 to the power y plus 2 equal to 64, we can write 4 to the power 3. Now base are equal means power also equal, y plus 2 equal to 3, so y equal to 3 minus 2, that is 1. Okay, now put the value x equal to 3 by 1 minus 1 by 3, so take LCM as 3 3 3 ja 9 minus 1, that is 8 by 3 equal 3 2 ja 6 2 by 3, so answer is 2 whole 2 by 3 or 8 by 3. ওকে, সো কমপ্লিটেড। যদি ভিডিওটি পছন্দ লাগে ভিডিওକୁ লাইক সেন্ড সবসক্রাইব করিব। ওকে, চ্যানেল যদি নিউ অছ চ্যানেলକୁ সবসক্রাইব করি বেল আইকনକୁ ক্লিক କରି দিও, যেবে আমি ভিডিও আপলোড করিবি ফার্স্ট तुमको নোটিফিকেশন শো করিব। ফর পিডিএফ and previous year question, then you can join my WhatsApp or Telegram group, link in the description box. For next session, till then, thank you.